Class schedule: understanding and organizing your study time. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of a class schedule. Whether you're a student or just curious about how educational systems work, understanding a class schedule is crucial. We'll break down what it means, its importance, and how to manage it effectively. Let's dive in. A class schedule is a timetable that displays the specific times and days when different classes are held. It typically includes details like the subject name, time, classroom number, and sometimes the name of the teacher. Understanding your class schedule helps you manage your time and responsibilities effectively. Class schedules are vital because they 1. Organize your day-to-day academic activities. 2. Ensure that you are prepared for each class. 3. Help in balancing academic and personal life. 4. Allow for time management and planning ahead. When reading a class schedule, look for subject names. Identify the subjects you will be studying. Time slots. Note when each class starts and ends. Classroom numbers. Know where each class is held. Teacher names. If provided, know who will be teaching each subject. 1. Plan ahead. Prepare for upcoming classes. 2. Set reminders. Use alarms or digital reminders for class times. 3. Stay organized. Keep your notes and materials sorted by subject. 4. Balance. Allocate time for study, rest, and recreational activities. I hope this video helps you understand and manage your class schedule better. Remember, staying organized and planning ahead can make a huge difference in your academic journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.